A generic IT plan can look efficient until the work stops. A scheduling server fails before a full patient day. A shop floor workstation blocks production updates. An insurance team cannot open policy files while approvals wait. Jason Harlem, Business Development Manager at Tech Advisory Group, puts it clearly. Industry-specific IT support is not about making technology more complicated. It is about reducing recurring issues, making accountability clear, and giving leaders a practical plan before small problems become business interruptions. That is the real issue for Worcester organizations. Medical offices, manufacturers, nonprofits, agencies, and professional services firms do not just need devices fixed. They need an IT partner that understands the workflow behind the device. For healthcare, access delays can affect patient systems, billing tools, secure files, care coordination, and compliance work. For manufacturing, one workstation issue can slow production updates, inventory movement, shipping coordination, and supervisor decisions. For nonprofits, donor records, grant files, and volunteer systems need clear permissions, reliable backup, and board-ready documentation. For professional services, slow email or file access can cost response windows. For finance and insurance, permissions, endpoint management, and vendor accountability affect approvals, customer data, and audit readiness. The better path starts by reviewing recurring tickets by department and business impact. If your current support model leaves you chasing vendors, reopening the same tickets, or making technology decisions without a roadmap, read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.